Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic of compiler design, that is left factoring. Left factoring is used while we are checking the given grammars belongs to LL1 or not. It is also used in another topics. So let's start today video. First of all, what we will see what is left factoring, how we will check whether the given grammar or given productions contains left factoring or not. So for this I have written here one grammar, that is S goes to A alpha 1 slash A alpha 2 slash A alpha 3. Here we can see the term is left. Then we have to see the symbol in the RHS of the grammar from left side. Here you can see, here the leftmost symbol is A, here leftmost symbol is A, and here also the leftmost symbol is A. Then we can see the common variables or terminals present at the RHS of the grammar in each production. So here the terminal is A, here the terminal is A, and here the terminal is A. Then the terminal is common. If the terminal is common in only two production, then also we will say the grammar contain the left factoring. But here all the production contain the left factoring. That is why we have to remove the left factoring from this given grammar. For that, what I will write here, I will write here is goes to the common things that is present in every production. That is here in production number 1, 2 and 3. The common, that is from left side, common thing from left side. Then here A and A. Then I will write here S goes to A. And the next thing here the alpha 1, here the alpha 2 and here is alpha 3. Then you can see nothing is common other than A. Then what we will do here, simply I will write here new symbol, that is S dash. For this you can write any symbol A, B, C, D, anything that is not present in the given production. Then for convenient I write here S dash, you can write here anything. And after that what I will do, I will expand this S dash. Then while expanding S dash in production number 1, what is left other than A? That is alpha 1. Then I will write here alpha 1 slash in production 2 what is left, alpha 2, and in production 2 what is left, that is alpha 3. Then this grammar does not contain the left factoring. We had removed the left factoring from this given grammar, and the result of this grammar is this one. I am taking one more example in which I will remove the left factoring. Here the question is S goes to I E T S slash I E T S and again E S slash A. First what I will do, I will give the number to each production, that is 1, 2 and 3. Here you can see in the all three production nothing is common. While we are looking all three production, then nothing is common. But while looking at only production number 1 and production number 2, the term IETS and here also IETS is present. Then we can say that in production number 1 and production number 2 left factoring is present. So we have to remove this left factoring. Then what we will have to do here in questions, the next term is here one more term, that is E goes to a small b. That doesn't matter what the next term is given. We have to remove the left factoring from this above grammar. Then for that what I will do, I will write here S goes to IETS and IETS both grammar contain. Then first I will write here IETS and the new symbol. One new symbol here is S. Then for convenient I will write here S dash, but here is also a small s. Then it will create confusion. Then for that what I am writing here, I am writing here A. You can write here any other symbol, that doesn't matter. And I have done the work of production number 1 and 2, but in production number 3 there is nothing common. Then I will write that as same in the question. And next the symbol I have taken here is A. Then I will expand A. Then A goes to, in the production number 1 IETS is present, but I have already written IETS. Then I will write here silent. And the next things I will write for the production number 2, here the left thing is E and S, and I will write here ES. And for the third one I have already written here, then it doesn't require to write here again. and the next thing is here E goes to B. Then we have removed the left factoring from these questions. I hope you have understood the concept of left factoring. If you have any doubt, then you can write your doubt in the comment box and I will try to reply your doubt. So see you in the next video. If you are new to our channel, then kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications of the video that we are uploading on the YouTube. So see you in the next video.